Hello students, I welcome 9th standard students for science class. In the last video, we have seen physical quantities and its units. Physical quantities are fundamental quantities and derived quantities. About the SI units also we have learned. In this video, we are going to see about the rules and conventions for writing SI units. When we write the SI units, we should follow some of the rules and conventions. 10 rules and conventions are given here. We should follow these rules while writing the SI units and their symbols. The first rule is the units named after scientists are not written with a capital initial letter. For example, when we use Newton, Henry, Ampere and Watt, we should not use the capital initial letter. Newton is the SI unit for force. Henry is the SI unit for electrical inductance. Then Ampere is the SI unit for electric current. And Watt is the SI unit for power. So the first rule is the units named after scientists are not written with a capital initial letter. Second rule, the symbols of the units named after scientists should be written by the initial capital letter. Example, N for Newton, H for Henry, A for Ampere and W for Watt. When we use the symbols of the units named after scientists should be written by the initial capital letter. Third rule, small letters are used as symbols for units, not derived from a proper noun. For example, when we write the meter, we should use the small letter M. For kilogram, kg, K and G for small letters we should use. Fourth rule is no full stop or other punctuation marks should be used within or at the end of symbols. Example, 50 meter and not as 50 meter, no full stop here. We should not use full stop at the end of the numerical value and unit. Fifth rule is the symbols of the units are not expressed in plural form. Example, to write 10 kg, we should not write as 10 kgs. We should not write with the plural form. When temperature is expressed in Kelvin, the degree sign is omitted. Example, when we write 283 Kelvin, not as 283 degree Kelvin, but in Celsius scale, degree sign should be included. 100 degree Celsius, not as 100 Celsius. 108 degree Fahrenheit, not as 108 Fahrenheit. So the Kelvin degree, when we use the Kelvin, degree sign is omitted, but for Celsius and Fahrenheit, degree sign should be included. Seventh rule is use of solidus is recommended for indicating a division of one unit symbol by another unit symbol. Not more than one solidus is used. Example, meter per second. We should use only one solidus symbol, meter per second. Joule, Kelvin, mole should be joule, Kelvin per mole. Like this should be written. Eighth rule is the number and units should be separated by a space. Example, 15 kilogram meter per second. In this, 15 is the number, numerical value. Kilogram meter per second is the unit. This number and units should be separated by a space. Ninth rule is accepted symbols alone should be used. Example, ampere should not be written as amp, and second should not be written as sec. We should write full unit name, ampere, second. Then 10th rule is the numerical values of physical quantities should be written in scientific form. Example, the density of mercury should be written as 1.36 into 10 power 4 kilogram meter cube, not as 13,600 kilogram meter cube. So we should use scientific form of numerical values. So physical quantities should be written in scientific form. So dear children, I will send the photocopy of this rules and convention for writing SI units and their symbols. This is very important question answer. So keep learning this answer. Thank you children.